I just want you to watch this for a second.
Okay, I have to tell you about this cream because my skin has been looking so much better lately. I've been using this PCA Skin Collagen Hydrator every night for about 3 weeks now. And I noticed pretty quickly that my skin just feels different in the morning.
Okay, so what you just watched, that wasn't filmed by a real creator. There was no camera, no product sent to anyone. That's 100% AI generated. And all I had at the starting point was a link to the product on Amazon. And I made this AI UGC ad in under 5 minutes. And I think if someone were scrolling TikTok or Instagram, they wouldn't know the difference. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this, step by step. And you will be able to do the same thing, even if you've never made a UGC ad before. But first, really quickly, what is UGC? UGC stands for User-Generated Content. It's basically content that looks like a real person filmed it on their phone. Not a polished brand ad, not a studio production, just someone talking about a product like they're recommending it to a friend. And this type of content converts really well right now. On TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook ads, it works because it doesn't feel like an ad. The problem is getting good UGC the traditional way is painful. You have to find a creator, send them the product, wait for the content and hope that it's actually good. And while you're doing all of that, other brands are already testing 10 different ad variations and finding what actually works. So I partnered in this video with CreateUGC to show you how to solve this problem. CreateUGC is an AI platform that lets you turn a product link into a realistic UGC-style video ad. In minutes, no filming, no creators, no waiting. You just paste your product link, pick an AI avatar, choose or maybe write a script from scratch and generate. That's it. And you can try it for free. I will link the link in the description below. Now let me show you how I made that ad that you saw at the beginning. So the product that I'm using here is this PCA Skin Collagen Hydrator Face Cream from Amazon. It's a premium skincare product. It has great reviews and it's exactly the kind of product that performs well with UGC ads because the results are visual and relatable. So step 1, let's create a new video. When you log in into CreateUGC, you will click here on Create Video and you'll see a field where you can either paste your product link, or if your product isn't listed anywhere yet, then you can click Add Product manually and enter the product name, add a description and upload your own image. It's simple. But in this case, I pasted the Amazon link here and the tool automatically pulls the product name, description and the images. On the second step, you will choose your video type. You can see here that there are a few options: video reaction, product in hand and product in hand with VO3. But this last option, however, is limited to only 8-second videos, which could work for some products, but not for all. And using this option, you can even upload any avatar that you want, or you can even create an avatar from your own photo. I will go with the product in hand option because I need a woman holding the cream and the video has to be longer than 8 seconds. So I'll click continue. And what we get here is the product information pulled from the listing on Amazon. By the way, you can still edit this text if you'd like to, and you need to pick one of the images. Click Next, and on step 3, we will set video settings. So here you can choose the platform Instagram, Facebook, X, and you can choose the language. I'll need English for this video, but you can choose any other language. Then you can also choose video duration. I'll go with 30 seconds. And in this case, the format is vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. Next, step 4. We can pick an avatar. You will see a whole library of AI avatars here. These are different ages, different styles, and different looks. Because this is a skincare cream for women, I picked a woman who looks like she's in her 40s, natural look, relatable to the audience. There are so many options that it's easy to get lost, but you can also use filters by ethnicity and gender. This will help you choose the avatar faster. When you're choosing the avatar, make sure that it makes sense for the product that you're promoting. Since I'm going to promote a face cream here, I was looking for avatars that are already holding some cosmetics products in their hands and that have an appropriate background, like I guess you wouldn't use a face cream in the middle of a busy street, right? You normally would do it in front of a mirror in a bathroom, for example. In many cases, you will also be able to choose the avatar's voice. And here I like the default voice for this avatar, but you could check many options, including some voices with foreign accents as well.
Welcome to CreateUGC app, the #1 place for creation of UGC content.
Welcome to CreateUGC app.
Welcome to CreateUGC app, the #1 place for creation of UGC content.
All right, the next step is your script. So CreateUGC will actually generate 3 different script options for you automatically based on your product link. So you can pick one of these, you can edit it, or you could write your own from scratch. Personally, I made some edits here to make the script sound more natural, more like how a real person would talk, not like an ad. And to be completely honest, the easiest way that I found to generate a great UGC ad script like this is to just drop the product link in Claude and ask for exactly this, a recommendation as if this character was talking to a friend, not a TV commercial. Then you just click generate, and in just a few minutes, you can get something like this.
Okay, I have to tell you about this cream because my skin has been looking so much better lately. I've been using this PCA Skin Collagen Hydrator every night for about 3 weeks now. And I noticed pretty quickly that my skin just feels different in the morning, like softer, more plump. I'm in my 40s and fine lines around my eyes and mouth. That's been my thing for a while. And I'm not gonna say this is magic, but I just wake up and my skin looks more rested, more glowing, less tired. It's not heavy at all, which I was worried about. It just absorbs and you wake up and you can just tell. Anyway, I'll leave the link below if you want to try it.
Look at that. This looks like a real person holding the product and talking about it naturally. The lighting looks real, the movement looks real. This is ready to run as a UGC ad right now. And there are a few extra things inside CreateUGC that I also want to show you quickly. There is a section called Assets, which is powered by Nano Banana Image Generator. Here you can create product photos without a photographer. You can do text to image, or you can take an existing photo and change the background, change the setting, the lighting, anything. And there is also an inspiration videos section. This is a searchable database of high-performing ads on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. You can filter them by the number of likes, and you can simply type in the kind of product that you want to promote and look at all the ads that are popular for this term. If you want ideas for hooks or styles that are already working, you can literally find them here and use them as a reference. And there is an avatar and script feature where you can create a talking head video based on any script, even without a product. This is actually really useful if you want to make short-form content without being on camera yourself. So here's why this matters. The brands and sellers that are winning with ads right now are not the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones that are testing the most variations and the fastest. And CreateUGC lets you do exactly that, without a camera, without a creator, and without waiting weeks for content. You can try CreateUGC for free, the link is in the description below. And if you want to see more videos about AI tools for your online business, then hit subscribe. And if you want to learn the most in-demand AI skills for this year, I'll link my next video up there. I'll see you in the next one.